The DJI Mini 5 Pro just leaked with specs that shouldn't be possible at 249 grams. A bigger sensor, longer flight time, and LiDAR obstacle avoidance? But here's the twist. Sources reveal DJI might be hiding something even bigger. The pricing leaked overnight changes everything, and one feature could make every other drone obsolete. Here's what we know so far. The DJI Mini 5 Pro masters the art of subtle evolution while hiding revolutionary changes beneath its familiar exterior. Strategic vented motors reveal the thermal challenges of cramming professional-grade hardware into this compact frame. The addition of a dedicated side button enabling controller-free takeoffs hints at DJI's vision for more autonomous operation. Most remarkably, leaked photos confirm the drone maintains its crucial sub-250-gram weight despite housing a larger sensor, LiDAR systems, and enhanced battery. The integration of IP67 waterproofing without weight penalties transforms this from a fair-weather toy into an all-conditions professional tool. This is where DJI has pulled off what many considered impossible. The Mini 5 Pro abandons the Mini 4 Pro's respectable 1/1.3-inch sensor for a full 1-inch CMOS sensor, the same size found in professional cameras costing thousands more. This dramatic sensor upgrade will deliver exceptional low-light performance and dynamic range that rivals dedicated camera equipment. The 24mm f/1.8 lens, paired with a 48mm telephoto mode, provides versatility previously reserved for much larger drones. The inclusion of nightscape mode suggests DJI has optimized the sensor specifically for challenging lighting conditions. The video specifications read like a wish list that somehow became reality. Native 4K recording at 120 frames per second opens up cinematic slow-motion possibilities that were unthinkable in the sub-250-gram category just months ago. The addition of HDR support and 10-bit color depth means professional colorists can finally work with mini-series footage without compromise. Native 8K photo modes suggest the sensor captures incredible detail, while the enhanced gimbal system provides 360-degree rotation with improved active track technology. The new Horizon Steady mode promises perfect stabilization regardless of drone orientation, essentially eliminating the horizon drift that has plagued smaller drones for years. DJI has packed the Mini 5 Pro with features that redefine expectations for ultralight drones. The integration of LiDAR sensors represents a quantum leap in obstacle avoidance technology. The O4 transmission technology delivers 20-kilometer high-definition video transmission with minimal latency. Built-in storage options reaching 512 gigabytes mean extended shooting sessions without storage concerns, while dual DJI mic compatibility suggests serious attention to content creators who demand professional audio quality. Perhaps the most impressive engineering achievement is the battery performance upgrade. The new 33.5 watt-hour battery will provide up to 50 minutes of flight time. The rumored 65-watt charging capability indicates shorter downtime between flights, addressing one of the most common complaints about previous mini-series drones. The base model is expected to be between $899 to $999, representing a justified 15 to 30% increase over the Mini 4 Pro. The Fly More combo ranges from $1,199 to $1,499. Exclusive sources confirm September 18th as the final release date, which aligns perfectly with mid-September industry patterns. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another drone release. It's a complete paradigm shift that shatters every assumption about what's achievable in 249 grams. DJI has pulled off engineering magic by cramming professional-grade capabilities into a package that remains regulation-free, essentially making expensive, heavy drones obsolete for most users. The 1-inch sensor breakthrough alone changes everything, but combined with LiDAR navigation and 50-minute flight times, this becomes the drone that eliminates all compromises. Content creators finally have their holy grail: professional results without professional headaches, regulatory nightmares, or backpack-busting weight. That's everything leaked about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Subscribe now so you don't miss our review the moment it launches.